In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Speechify on Webpage. To get started, open your web browser and look to the top right corner. Click on the three-dot menu to open your browser options. From there, select Extensions, and then choose the option to visit the web store. This is where you can find browser add-ons that expand what your browser can do. Once the web store opens, click into the search bar and type in Speechify. When you see the Speechify extension in the results, click on it and then choose Add to Chrome. Your browser may ask you to confirm the installation, so just follow the prompt to finish adding it. After the extension is installed, open Speechify and log in, or create a free account if you're new to it. You'll also go through a quick setup, which is designed to help you get the extension ready for use. This usually only takes a moment and helps make sure everything works smoothly before you begin listening. Now that Speechify is set up, go to any web page that contains text. If you only want to hear a certain section, highlight a specific paragraph. If you'd rather have Speechify read more broadly, you can use the floating play widget to read the full page instead. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you want to focus on one part of an article or listen to everything on the screen. When you're ready, press play to start listening. Speechify will begin reading the text aloud, which can be especially useful for multitasking, accessibility, or simply making long articles easier to get through. For even faster control, you can use keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, press Alt and Q to quickly toggle playback. On Mac, use Option and Q. That's it. Once you've installed it and learned these basic controls, using Speechify on a web page becomes quick and convenient.